And now, here's a disclaimer. Remember guys, nothing here is financial advice. Please do your own research. Only trade with what you can afford to lose, because at the end of the day, it is crypto. So that means potentially you could be losing all of your money and potentially have your wallet drained. We don't want that to happen to you at all. So instead, do your research, a thorough research. Most importantly, only use money that you are happy and willing to lose. But equally guys, with great risks, there are always great rewards. So have that in mind. So let's get back into the video.
Guys, this is an emergency video because Crow today has done 50% all the way up, and now it's looking like it's started to correct its way down just a little bit before it continues its way to the upside. I'm going to show you in this video the reason why I reckon Crow would do exceptionally well during this bull season. Guys, let's not waste any time, because this could be an opportunity of a lifetime just before the bull season really kicks in. So why don't we just get straight into the video? But before we do so, you know what time it is, and it's time to strap onto your boots, put on your rocket helmets. Let's get into the video. Hello everybody, welcome back to Total Crypto for another video. We are going to jump straight into Crow, because Crow today has decided to wake up and do over 50%. Now we're actually witnessing a pullback. Guys, please excuse my voice, I've been ill all week so far. There's no rest for the wicked. As we can see from the chart guys, it's looking like since we made this move to the upside, we'll pull back, we'll continue much more higher, we'll then pull back again to the most important zone here, and it looks like we are continuing our way to the upside like so. Then we made that final massive correction, but once we do break up on this level, we should quite easily head away back up to that 50-cent mark. Currently we are around about 10-cent mark, nearly 11 cents. But once we do smash there guys, we should be able to see at least somewhat of a massive move, because just from here to that next leg up, which should be right up here, that will give us 147% move from here to there. But from the price itself all the way up to there, that will give us easy 350+% move to the upside. That's only a short-term swing move to the upside. However, if you look at the chart from the bird's eye view, guys, this is looking absolutely beautiful, and we're actually staircasing our way up. If you are bullish on Crow for multiple reasons, one, it's got one of the best marketing campaigns in crypto history. They've already aligned themselves with a major sports organization. They're partnering up with virtually all sporting institutions and companies, and you will also find them on boxing arenas as well as UFC 2 being the main sponsors. And if you like Italian soccer, guess what guys, they're sponsored on their main channel as well. So I reckon Crow, once we do see they get above 50 cents and reach back up towards that nearly $1 mark, then we're going to see some amazing fireworks for this project. And I reckon guys, between now to the last all-time highs, that is not too far away from where we are, because the way the chart is shaping up to be from a trader's perspective like myself, this is looking absolutely phenomenal. That's at least 800% move to the upside. But my prediction for Crow, it'll be well above $5, because this bull season, it's been prolonged bull season and heavily manipulated by the big investors, hedge fund, because they are all stepping into it, including your governments, wherever you are from around the world. Trust me guys, this is going to be big. I reckon Crow would do exceptionally well. If you take a look at their circulating supply as well as their tokenomics, they have 26.57 billion crows in circulation, which is pretty cool. Says here that FDV is at 3.16 billion and the market cap size is at $2.79 billion, which is not too shabby at all. At this stage guys, I'm not too focused upon their market cap, because if I take a look at the chart guys, between where we are now to the last all-time highs, that's already 800%. My prediction for Crow is going to be a lot more bigger prices, because I reckon guys, we can quite easily hit $5 plus. So even if we target $5 from where we are right now, which I reckon it will be on the low end during the bull season, then we should be expecting anywhere around about 4,500% move to the upside. If that's the case, that's already 45x on your return. that is not too shabby at all. But in my opinion, guys, that's just on the lower ends for multiple reasons. We will be checking out all of the partnerships, or at least some of them, and we'll also be checking out the reason why crypto decided to pumped over the last 24 hours and who was responsible for it. If you're anything like me, guys, then you have to keep your ears to the ground and follow some of the news. Obviously, we have Trump the other day. He's spoken quite a bit about crypto in general, and I'm going to show you an article right now, and this article right over here, which says crypto investors are amassing CRO hour after Trump linked venture announced a partnership with a Singapore-based firm. That's obviously one of the catalysts that really made, well, that potentially made the price going up. And then if we read quickly with this article over here, it says the native token crypto.com outpaced most digital assets Monday after Trump Media and Technology Group announced plans to develop exchange trade funds with the exchange. Kronos CRO is up 30% over the last 24 hours and to 10 cents. CoinGecko data shows following a significant surge on the announcement of Trump's company, which runs Truth Social. Now, I don't want to get too much involved or into that at all. We're just going to continue reading on. The trading volume for Crow explodes almost 6 times from 21 million to 126 million by Monday evening as traders race to capitalize on the presidential connection. The daily transaction chart from ChronoScan shows that transactions have made more than double, from roughly 40,000 to over 82,000. If we take a look at Crypto.com partners, this is pretty insane, guys. They're partnered with Formula 1, Champions League, UFC, Crypto.com Arena, AFL 67, that's the Latin soccer, the Libertadores, also the Formula 1 again. So yes, guys, they have like pretty huge partnership there already, guys. This could be really big and maybe even worth list of cryptos for the bull season. And I have no doubt that we are going to see some fireworks for Crow during a bull season. Right now the chart is looking absolutely phenomenal. We are staircasing our way up. The second we break this level, we should just continue our way to much more bigger prices. I'm gonna leave it there, guys, because I just thought to let you all know what's happening within the crypto space. But either way, guys, I'm going to leave you here. As always, give me a like, subscribe, hit the bell notifications, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.